Have you ever heard an Arabic rhythm that's simple but full of energy? A beat that instantly takes you to the heart of Upper Egypt, like you're at a festival or traditional celebration? Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your skills, today you'll learn one of the most powerful and easy Egyptian rhythms. Welcome to Magid Darbuka, your go-to YouTube channel for learning the Egyptian tabla. If English is your first language, don't forget to check the playlist below the video to find previous lessons. Today, we're learning a new Egyptian rhythm called Saidi. It's simple, fun, and super traditional. Listen carefully. Let's break it down. Doom, tek.
Dum tek,
Doom, doom, tek.
dum dum tek,
Repeat after me.
dum tek, dum dum tek, dum tek, dum dum tek, dum tek, dum dum tek.
Practice as much as you can and listen carefully. More Saidi rhythm videos are coming soon. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. What do you want to learn next on the Egyptian tabla?